Hello guys, a day in my life going to work. Today is Ramadan. So pupunta lang doon, nakasibilyan kami. So abangan niyo po guys. Simula lang na ngayon, nag-vlog na ako for Ramadan. Ngayon lang nilagay.
Hello guys, good afternoon na pala kasi azan na, so pauwi na ng bahay. This is my update for my vlog guys in Ramadan. So usually guys, I don't have I have a work only for, kasi wala namang umiinom talaga, walang pero to attending to cleaning, to check the kitchen, ganun lang talaga kami dito. So, yun lang po ang update natin guys as a T-boy. Ayun, so nalakad tayo papunta doon sa sasakyan na. Kasi pauwi na kami guys. Pauwi naman ako kasi yun. Thank you for watching guys, all of the followers.